Hello, my dear learners, welcome back. So, today in this particular video, I would be explaining you in detail about question number 4 from NCERT textbook, chapter number 1, exercise 1.2. So, in this particular exercise, they are asking us to find out if set A is equal to set B. Now, before we come to these questions, obviously we should be knowing the definition of what a set is and what are equal set. So please, if you have confusions with what are equal set, please watch my previous video wherein I have explained in detail about what is an equal set. So let's come back to these questions. So I have set A is equal to ABCD and set B is equal to DC BA. So in the first question, set B, all the elements are jumbled up. Okay. Set A, all the elements A, B, C, D are in an arranged format, one after the other. Wherein set B, elements A, B, C, D are in a jumbled up format. So which means set A, I have A, B, C, D, and set B elements also. If I remove the jumbled up format and write it, again I will get A, B, C, D. So which means set A also has A, B, C, D elements, set B also has A, B, C, D elements, which means set A is equal to set B. Okay. Now coming back to the second question, I have set A is equal to 4, 8, 12 and 16. Okay. And set B is equal to 8, 4, 16 and 18. Now let me check the number of elements in set A and set B. Set A has 4, set B also has 4. Set A has 8, set B also has 8. Set A has 12, but B does not have 12. Okay. And similarly, set A has 16, B has 16, but when it comes to B, 18 is not present in A. So which means cardinality of set A and set B are 4 itself. Correct? But the total number of elements, if they are equal also, the elements, the precise elements are not same in both the sets. So here you see in set A, 12 is present but not present in set B. Similarly, in set B, 18 is present but not present in set A. So therefore, I can conclude A is not equal to B. Let me come to the third question. So third question I have A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and set B is equal to, see, now set B is given to us in set builder form. So what does it mean? Set B is equal to set of all x such that x is a positive even number less than or equal to 10. So what are all positive even numbers less than or equal to 10? 2 is the smallest even number, okay, even positive integer. After that, 4, again even integer, 6, again even, 8, again even, and lastly, I will include 10 as well. Why should I include 10? Because in this question, I think you can see the cursor movement, right? So here in this question, they have given x less than or equal to 10. Now let me compare the elements in set A and set B. A has 2, B also has 2. A has 4, B also has 4. A has 6, B has 6 as well. A has 8, B has 8. Lastly, A has 10, B also has 10. So which means all the elements of set A matches with all the elements of set B. So which means set A is equal to set B. Now coming to the last question. So it says A is equal to set of all x such that x is a multiple of 10. So what do you mean by x is a multiple of 10? So multiple of 10, I am interested in writing tables, correct? And since they have told us multiple of 10, they have not given us any range where to stop. Correct? So, in such problems where the range is not given for us to stop, it becomes an infinite set. Correct? No? So, when it becomes an infinite set, I have to denote it by dot dot dot. Correct? So, in this particular case, let me write down. I've just erased, but it's not clearly gone. But okay, we can manage. The fourth question. So, the fourth question says a is equal to set of all x such that x is a multiple of 10. So multiple of 10 being 10, 20, 30, 40, so and so forth, dot dot dot. Now when I come to set B, see what are the elements given to us? 10, 15, 20, 25, so on and so forth. So when I compare the elements, 10 is present, 10 is also present, 20 is present, 20 is also present, but 15 is present in set B but not in set A. Okay. Similarly, 20 present in set B but not in set A. So therefore, what happens? In this case, I can conclude telling A is not equal to B. I hope everybody have followed how I have written whether set A and set B are equal set. Like this, to make your concepts more clearer and more stronger, please come back to my channel, see, watch, learn. Thank you all.